What is up, you guys? It's your boy CA Corey back with another video. So just left the gym, as you guys know. Many times I'm usually filming these after the gym or on a weekend. But yeah, man, just came from the gym. Just want to check in with you guys, and I was like, you know what, let me film another POV. Just keep the content coming. So today I really wanted to talk about pushing out content and just posting whatever you can. Oh my gosh, these people break so hard. Yeah, just post your content, man. But yeah, recently it was my dad's birthday, April 1st. So he's into cigars, so I got him a dope cigar keychain. Let me see if I can zoom in for you guys. Let me see. Hopefully you guys can see that. If not, I'll try to zoom in and put the picture on the screen. But yeah, I got him a cigar keychain, so he really liked that. It's so crazy though, like us guys in general, we literally don't ask for much. Like my dad, he never asked for anything on his birthday. Like when it's his birthday, he's just like, listen, I'm just trying to have a good time with the family and that's it. I'm like, don't you want something? Like, he never asked for anything. That's always why I try to give him as much as I can, because he literally asked for nothing. So, but yeah, I wanted to talk about like pushing out content, because I started to realize a lot of people, and I don't know if it's just me or other people in general, a lot of people just don't want to post their content, which I understand, because a lot of people are not trying to be judged, you know, which is definitely valid. Like a lot of people are not trying to be judged. They don't want, oh, let me just try to get over here. But yeah, a lot of people are not trying to be judged, and everyone just wants to post their content and just have a bunch of people subscribe and like the content, you know. But the truth of the matter is, a lot of people aren't gonna like what you're posting, or they're gonna be hating on your car or whatever you got. But just post it, man, because if you think about it, once your channel pops, everyone's gonna go back and watch all of your content, even if they don't like it. The biggest haters watch the most. So just post your content, man. I even see, like, something I noticed that's really good too about building a strong fan base. People think it's all about numbers, but there's people who are on YouTube with smaller channels, but they have crazy watch time because their fans watch the whole video. They allow the ads to keep running. And you know, if you got a strong fan base, you will get paid, because everyone knows watch time is huge here. As long as you have a ton of watch time, you'll be set. So where's my phone at? Oh, okay, flew back. But yeah, as long as you got watch time, you'll be pretty good. Because I remember there was like channels that grow and then they die. That's why I said, like, people who reach 100K, if you see the channels dying, I personally would just start over, because it's so much easier starting over, right? At least 20K of those 100K are gonna come to your new channel, and then the videos are gonna hit the algorithm, and then you'll be set and your videos will start trending. So as long as you got a cool 20-30K with you that are like die hard, watching every video, you'll be set, you know. But something I see is, like, a lot of people are getting big on Twitch, and Twitch fans, they support everything. Like, you drop merch, they're buying. You go live, they're tuning in. I'm like, damn, I didn't know Twitch fans were like that. So I'm thinking of getting onto Twitch, because a lot of people are getting faithful fans from Twitch. So I'm thinking about getting into that as well. I got everything set up for it already. I have a mic, I have the whole like lighting and all that, so I have everything I need. I'm just trying to figure out when I want to start it and what content I'm gonna do on there. Also, is there anyone who streams on Kick? I want to know if Kick is better than Twitch, or if Twitch is better. So I don't know, because I've heard Twitch is getting more strict and they're banning a lot of people. So I don't know which one's better. feel like time is just flying by, I swear. Every time you look, it's like today, it's, what is today's date? April 4th. When I post this video, it's gonna be sometime in May, because as I told you guys, all of my videos are done way earlier. So yeah, time is already flying. We're already in April. It's insane, man. Only time I'm gonna post a same day video is if it's some big event. And you know, when you post videos with big events or big sponsors at those events, you know, those videos tend to do really good. So unless it's like a huge car show, I'll probably post that same day. But POVs and everything else is always going to be scheduled weeks out in advance. Plus it helps me to stay consistent, because once you know that you have content posted, one, it makes you go harder, and two, you just feel better. Like, you're not as anxious to be like, damn, I should post this, I should post that, you know? So post your content, guys. It doesn't matter what it is, just post it. There's times I hate to even hear my own voice in the video, but I'm like, whatever, I gotta post it, you know? So post that content. Who cares if it's cringe or not? Just post it. Doesn't matter. Oh, I have a nighttime POV coming out for you guys. I went to the gas station the other day, and I had the GoPro on my head because I've been trying out like different angles and things like that. So I had the GoPro on my head, and I'm just talking, and there was a girl at the pump next to me, and she just glances over, and that you could tell like she has no idea what I'm doing. Why do I have a GoPro strapped to my head? Like, her face just looks so confused. Oh, it was too funny. But if anything, bro, it's like, what do you think about it? It's like, it's just gonna make him question it, and then be like, what do you do? Like, what is so special about this person that they gotta be filming their car right now? Like, what is it, you know? So it's funny. I have a feeling the more that I wear this, the more funny encounters I'm gonna have. So but yeah, I'm thinking of getting a 360 cam so I can strap a cam to the outside and get some reactions. Reaction videos do really good, so I'm definitely thinking about it. But yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I just wish that my windshield was a lot taller so I could have the GoPro like above my eyes. So because I have it like flipped upside down, I have to kind of like look on the sides of the GoPro. I can still see, but it's just annoying because the GoPro is like right in the middle. So, but hey, what can you do, right? Gotta film that content. So but yeah, it's so crazy. I was talking to my boy the other day because I had lost the other channel I had. I was growing my car channel, and I grew to about 40K before it got deleted. And just get out the way, like, going so slow. I grew to about 40K before it got deleted. So I got a package for my building. And my friends asked me, like, are you kind of worried that, you know, that might happen again, or that growing your second channel is gonna take a minute? I was like, you gotta remember, when you know the skill set, you could grow your channel no matter what. As long as you got the skills, you could grow your channel. I'm telling you, it's not hard. That's why, like, people who get rich and they end up losing their money, they're not worried at all. And the reason that they're not worried is because they already got the skill set to obtain the same amount of money. So as long as you got the skills it doesn't matter. The subscribers are gonna start coming. As you guys have seen, if you're not staying up to date with all the shorts I'm posting alongside posting these videos, you're gonna see the views are gonna start going up, likes gonna start going up, everything is gonna start going up. So for me, I'm big on consistency. Quality is always there, but the consistency part is literally like, all you gotta do is post. Just post. I try to post every other day. At some point I am gonna post every day, but at that point I'm gonna have to be filming every single day in order to keep the videos flowing, you know. So right now I'm just doing Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday, and just keep on doing that. So it's been pretty good so far. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna keep these videos going, and I'm gonna just keep on posting. And it's much easier when you actually like it. So all the people who say it's so hard, that's because you don't really like YouTube. You just want the money. I mean, look, all of us want the money, right? We all do. Let's not freaking lie here. Like, we all want the money. But if you actually like it, it's much easier. You will see, like, if you film a bunch of videos and it's time to edit, editing the videos is not going to be a chore to you. It's not going to be a pain. You're going to actually want to edit. Yes, there's going to be days where you are tired, but actually wanting to get the content, edit the videos, and do everything yourself, it takes actually liking it to really get everything done the way it's supposed to be done. So just had to drop that little gem on you guys. But if you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.